now that the door is open, I'm just going to take a trim tool. Just go like that. Just get your little tabs there. You can see one nut here. There's going to be one right under this. Then you'll have a bolt right there and another bolt right there. Before we get to that, we're going to take off this right here. Always take a peek, make sure you don't see any funny colors. So let's remove these bolts right here, 10 millimeter. Now we have a nut there and a nut there, both 10s. At this point, we want to make sure you hold the mirror. There we are. There we are. Got one of my nuts. Let's snug them up. Grab this, connect it in, give it a tug. Make sure you have this wire secured. Grab your little cover. Just line everything up. Beautiful.